Hello my lovelies, I am back again with another delicious video. Today we're going to be making tiramisu, so let's begin. We're going to start off by separating the yolks and the whites of 4 eggs. Next we're going to add half a cup of sugar to our 4 egg yolks, mix everything well, and set it aside. We're now going to take our 4 egg whites and whisk everything together until it turns into a foam. Once it does, we're going to set it aside. Now we're going to take 2 cups of our mascarpone cheese and our egg whites, which we foamed up earlier, and we're going to add it to our egg yolk mixture. We are going to combine everything together until we get a nice smooth velvety cream. Once our cream has been made, we're going to set it aside, and now we're going to prepare our 40 ladyfingers and set that aside as well. Now I'm going to prepare 1.5 cups of espresso coffee, and I'm going to put it in a bowl. Now I'm going to take my ladyfingers one by one, quickly dip it into my espresso, and then line them up in my mold. Once I have my first layer of ladyfingers dipped in espresso, I'm going to add 1 generous layer of cream. I'm then going to repeat the process until I reach the top of my mold. Make sure that the last layer of the tiramisu is the cream. And for our final ingredient, we're going to sprinkle a generous amount of cocoa powder all over. We want to cover the tiramisu in a beautiful brown blanket with no cream showing. And for our last and final step, we're going to place our tiramisu in the fridge for 24 hours. And voila, we have our delicious tiramisu. It has a velvety texture, a creamy taste, and the espresso coffee gives it just the right kick. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe so that you don't miss any others in the future, and also follow us on Instagram at san.pal20 so that you never miss any fun facts. Bye-bye!